In this video, you'll learn how to make a Notion page full width. This processing enhances the layout of your content, allowing for a more spacious design. By following these steps, you will be able to take full advantage of Notion's capabilities. Begin by opening your preferred web browser, with Google Chrome being the recommended option for optimal performance. Once the browser is open, navigate to the Notion website. This can be done by entering the URL into the address bar and pressing enter. After a brief loading period, the Notion homepage should appear. Next, locate the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the Notion interface. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu contains various options related to page settings. After clicking, you should see options such as full width and toggle side R. After that, select the full width option from the drop-down menu. This action will adjust the current page layout to utilize the full width of your screen. You should notice a change in the page layout immediately, making it more visually appealing and easier to read. Once this adjustment is made, navigate to a blank space on your page. Click within this area to ensure that the changes take effect. This step is crucial for refreshing the page layout. After clicking, you may also choose to type in database section, then click on the option labeled database full page from the displayed options. This will create a new database that spans the entire width of the page. The user interface will update, providing you with a new full width database to work with. Following this, you can create a new page by clicking on the new page button. This button is typically located in the sidebar or at the bottom of your database. Once clicked, a new page will open, ready for you to fill with content. Next, you may wish to click on another page to continue organizing your work. This can be any page you have previously created. After selecting it, you'll be taken to that page where you can apply the same full width settings. To enable full width on this new page, click on the three vertical dots again. Select the full width option once more. This ensures that the new page also benefits from the full width layout, creating a consistent design throughout your Notion workspace. Lastly, if you need to enable full width again, simply repeat the process by clicking on the full width option once more. This reinforces the layout setting you desire. After making these selections, your Notion pages will now be displayed in full width, providing a cleaner and more organized visual experience. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.